tahura mbica ati mundu uria ubatie gukurangira niwe utuikite wa gukunyarira kwa ihinda ria mieri 3 riu ndungiria na ndunginyua tondu wona mushara nduri na mwisho wa uhoro ukabatara kuhana ta wathama gwaku.
As Governor Meru, this is my last day here in my office. You are lucky, you are the last group I'm talking to, and until even my own salary is paid, I'm not coming back.
Kwina thina muno wa mbeca na kwina thina wa mishara ni undu wa uria gukoretwo kuria Nairobi.
Viongozi wetu wale wote wako Senate, we want to tell them that it doesn't matter how long it takes, we want our rights.
Magavana marauga Senate niyo ibatie kumagitira kibururi indi riu itwikite ruo kuri o na kuiga thirikari cia kaunti ugwati-ini wa guteanirio.
Katiba ya 1963 yari na regional government. Na regional governments icio cianinirwo o mutaratara uyu urona wo muthi. Tondu ciambire cikihingirwo bia cikihingiririo itige guka. Riu igichoka Senate ikihujwo.
So the senators should stop making noise at Oparanya. They are the ones who have failed their constitutional duty to give us money and to protect the interests of the counties.
We are unable to take care of our political and economic issues because of certain interests of people, whereby it is all about people galvanizing in their corner, not thinking really about what the mwananchi needs to get or what services need to go to wananchi. So they are becoming very legalistic about that issue. Devolution is clearly at threat.
Kuri na guaya metha-ini ya magavana ati kumana na wagi wa kigina thirikari ciao ni ikwaga kiene.
Si ati ni vile magavana wanataka kufunga, ni vile hata ukikaa ofisini unaambiwa hata mafuta ya gari yako hakuna. Ukiita wafanyikazi wanakuambia hana pesa za kuja kazini kwa sababu hujawalipa mshahara miezi 3. Sasa unajua uwezi lazimisha mtu hujamlipa miezi 3 unamwambia lazima kuja wapi? Kazini. Kwa hivyo shida iko. Na shida ni kubwa.
Thirikari cingigikorwo ciri cia batoriku angikorwo citikugitira maisha ma raia ya bururi ucio kana kaunti iyo.
Na ona kuria ati gatiba ya bururi yonanitie ati no maundu meritu maria mangituma thirikari cia kaunti iteanirio maria ni ngucanio na mbara cia mahinda kwa mahinda thiini wa kaunti kana undu ungi wa mwanya, na igathana ati thirikari ici itingiteanirio kana icenjerio mwathanire hatari kura ya mawoni bururi-ini. Magavana maretigira makiuga ati bururi uyu mahinda kwa mahinda ni undu wa itumi cia kiuteti watho ni unagirwo maitho.
These are games just to frustrate, discourage us, and kill devolution. What we see is total lack of political will on the part of the central government.
Koguo ni gitanya ati ni ukuona either mu Kenya ayumiria kano shirika fulani na Council of Governors yonyene mathigoti ni kugarigwa ndoa yari ni makiagire gukiruta wira wao uguo magirire ku dissolve.
What you need is money, not adjectives.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.